What the hell is that?
Don't really know how to get there.
I have to get through this bush.
Aloha! It's another day, another hike. And in this episode we're on a quest for some waterfalls.
Hi, good day. It's time for another trail again. And we are gonna start the, I have to read it, Makamakaole trail. Probably totally mispronounced that. It's a little bit ahead of one of my first trails, the Waihee Ridge Trail. Just a bit ahead. And yeah, something to look out for is, have a look at this. Everywhere you go, there is glass from broken windows here. Everywhere. They call it a diamond road. Here it's the same thing. Diamond road. Glass everywhere. All the shiny stuff is glass. It's all glass. Here, more glass, glass, glass. So much glass. It's incredible. This is all glass. All glass. Wow. It's unbelievable. So, considering that mine car was just smashed, because I have technically two cars available. So yeah, I can take the other one, but maybe it happens with the other one too, and then I have two broken cars. So the logic being now is that this one is already broken. I left the glove compartment open. There's literally nothing interesting in the car. They can look inside. If they really want to get in the car, they can just remove the plastic, and then they notice that there's nothing. So technically I hope that they are not that stupid that they smash another window, because that would just be evil. Like, that would just be to bully people or something, because it's obvious that this window is technically open. So hopefully this logic saves me from another broken window from another car. Yeah, it's a bit of a problem here. It's, my god, there's so much glass here. It's insane. I read about it, but this is absolutely bizarre. But yeah, let's start this trail. It's pretty random. So here we start with this pole over here. So this is the trail for the waterfall. Also, be aware of trash. Take your trash with you. And hey, buddy. Okay, it seems like there are a couple of ways to go. I can go up here, I think. Or I can continue following this path up here. So, but this one goes up, this one goes down there. So, well, just try this one, see where this one goes. Wow. Oh. Oh. Okay. All right. Not sure if it's going anywhere. Doesn't seem like it. It's like half-half. Well, just a little walk later, we arrived at this big boulder accumulation. And the start of a bamboo forest. Look at that. So let's jump into the bamboo and let's go to Asia for a moment. Wow, I've never been in such a thing before. If you have been to Asia, you probably have seen something like this, but I've never seen it as before. It's truly mesmerizing. It's unbelievable. So big they are, my god. It's a side path here. Wow. Amazing, amazing. It's almost like an alien looking tree with these weird appendixes or something. It has been, here you can see it has completely swallowed up this tree, right? This tree is just dead. I think there was a name for this, like those trees that completely engulf other trees and basically they become their host, and then they completely engulf them and they basically let them die, suffocating them basically. Oh, okay. All right. Absolutely beautiful here. It's incredible how a bit of green and nature can make your day much better. Just like all the moss and everything is coming down into this little valley here. Sound of the water, the sound of where my goal is, the waterfall at the end of this. This is amazing. It opens up down here. We get the sunlight into this little gully or gulch or whatever you want to call it. It's coming down and it brightens our world right now. So let's go with the sun. Absolutely magnificent to be here. It's gorgeous around here, fantastic. As my dad would say, he would not love this walk, but he would say it looked fantastic. Anyway, I wonder how far it is still. I had some people that came, there were some people already coming back that were just in full swimming gear. So as as adventurous as this looks, it's just also very normal to do for people. It's a normal trail that a lot of people do. And what the hell is that? I've never seen such a thing, but it looks like a Pokemon to me. Wow, that's a flower or something. Incredible. I've never seen something like that. It's full of flies, so it attracts flies apparently. So maybe, I mean, it's weird that it attracts flies actually. Maybe it is a, you know, like those eating plants or something. There's those flesh-eating plants or something like that. I forgot the name. Because why would it attract flies? Flies, they don't spread pollen, I think. Well, I should look it up later. That is so interesting. Very interesting thing. I'm hearing stuff. I'm hearing something. Is that the waterfall? Le grand finale? Let's see. Oh, that looks pretty. It sounds amazing. How do we get there? Hoppa. Okay, this is quite slippery over here, so really have to watch out here. Oh wow, that is amazing. Woo. As fun as that was, I don't think that this is the main one, because I saw so many people in swimming gear. This is a very, very small waterfall pool. I cannot imagine that people come all the way to swim in this tiny pool. So before there was a branching off trail, it seems like that. I went left, but it seemed like there was maybe another one, so I'm gonna just go back, see if there's something else out there. That sounds more promising. Woo. All right. Wow. There we are. That's amazing. Wow. So I can climb up there and see it better from there. I'm gonna try it out. Oh, all right. Alright, okay, we're getting somewhere. Whew. Wow. What the hell? You can go up here? What? That's insane. Okay. There's a second one up there, but it's so slippery here. Yeah, even without shoes I would not feel good about this. Wow, I'm not sure about that. Well, getting down was also quite difficult. I'm gonna change into my swimming gear, hop into this water for a bit, and change my GoPro to the waterproof one and have some fun.
really dangerous, this place. Really dangerous. My God. If you fall here, you're gonna break so many bones. But yeah, we're all young and stupid once, I guess. But this is definitely not the place to jump. So even though I couldn't touch the bottom, there's so many stones sticking out and I cannot see anything. Don't really know how to get there, but I'm gonna try. It's probably very stupid, but okay. Whew. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, it's fun and games, but I have to also get down again later. Well, I'm here now. Let's see. Whew. Beautiful, beautiful. Man, how I'm gonna do this, I don't know. Well, let's see if I survive this. Okay, I made it. Also because otherwise this video would never have been uploaded in the first place. But this was definitely, if you do this, really think about what you're doing. Because it's super slippery. Well, my stuff are still here. That's good stuff. I wonder if I can make some drone shots here. Let's try it out.
To be able to use your drone, you need dry weather, no wind and a GPS signal, which I did not have here. That's why I got stuck in the bush and I couldn't go up. Sometimes it doesn't work.
Whoa. Okay, well, apart from falling to death, I am walking back to, well, the beginning more or less. I think there was, I think at the very beginning there was like a different trail going straight up. So I can also check that one out. Didn't notice this when I was walking towards the waterfall, because I was in the middle of the bamboo forest. But look at the ridges there. You can see the beautiful ridges coming down and up. Wow. This is such a beautiful place. And this feels like you're suddenly in Asia or something. Just look at all the bamboo here. It goes all the way back there. And it's sprouting everywhere. I mean, it's okay, it is an invasive species obviously, but gosh, it's beautiful. It's amazing, you know. You have the beauty all around you. Never gets boring around here. Well, let's go through the bamboo forest once again. Let's get back before the sun sets. Hopefully the car is okay. This other girl left after I told her my car break-in story. She got worried. She already saw all the glass before, so now she went back earlier, I guess, because that's the unfortunate situation here. Yeah, I guess don't know what the solution is for that one, to come here. Almost back down again, almost there. Well, we are at the end of the trail again, and this is exactly, so this is the beginning, and here is this little stairs somewhere. So there is something that goes up, so I guess I will just check it out quickly. First I'm just gonna check my car. Hopefully nobody was so stupid to smash my window, because it's already smashed. Okay, this side is good. Okay. Well, we're still lucky until now. Let's have a look at this trail now. Well, it's obviously not in the best of state anymore. This tree is blocking it at the moment. Okay, it's a pretty solid tree. So that means we have to go up and under. All right. Okay. Oh. I have the feeling that this is going to a lookout point, which is nice. It's completely man-made stairs. But I wonder how many people actually go here, because it's kind of random at the very beginning of this trail, and you just want to do the other thing first, and maybe you don't notice these little wooden planks at first, and you just assume that there's nothing here. Alright. Alright. So. Okay. There's a little view here. And if we go this way, we go a bit further up, I guess. This could be potential drone footage, because before it doesn't work, because when you don't have signal with the drone, at least my drone, you can't fly high, maybe just 20 meters or something, and it's actually not so easy as it looks. Have a look. Oh, fuck. Come on. It's completely loose gravel, so you slip away very easily. Wow, we are on top of the jungle.
let's get, I think we can go to that ridgeline over there. Let's do that. All right. I hear something. What the hell's that? Sounds like water or something. Is that flies or something? Or wasps? Or what the hell is that? Sounds really weird. I don't know what this is. Maybe I awakened some kind of wasp nest or something. What the hell is this noise? Don't really think I can go very far, to be honest, even. Reconsidering my options now. No, I'm not gonna try that. Like if they come after me, I have literally nothing to protect myself. So yeah, rather don't. It's a very weird noise. And now I have to get back down again. This weird little slip slide thingy. Alright. Whoa, okay. Woo! Actually a slip slide. Alright. Let's get back down. And now I have to really get going. It's time to go back to work. And it was a fun day. But the sun is setting now. And I have to get through this bush. Okay. Did I come? Yeah, I come from here, right? Oh. I'm happy that I bought this light, GoPro light. It's very, very light. Well, I'm back home again. Conclusion of this trail is this: very easy to do. It's not an endurance kind of a trail or something. It's not heavy. It is very dangerous in the sense of the stones and the rocks. So be aware of those things. It can be very dangerous, very, very slippery. Just use common sense. But yeah, it's sort of easy to break an ankle kind of a trail. But apart from that, it's very beautiful, it's very amazing, and it's yeah, definitely something that I would do again, just to have a swim at the little waterfall again. It was very beautiful. Well, time to let out the dog again. He's gonna be happy.
And that's the end of this hike. Let me know what you think. Have you done it? Will you do it? And be aware of the diamond roads. I have warned you. And remember my previous video. Anyway, thank you for watching and see you next time.